my daily routine. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I eat breakfast with my family. After that, I get dressed and go to school. I study many subjects and play with my friends. At 1 o'clock, I eat lunch at school. In the afternoon, I come back home and do my homework. In the evening, I help my parents and watch a TV. I eat dinner at 7 o'clock. Finally, I take a shower and go to bed at 10 o'clock.